Tell me why you have 10,000 subscribers, but on your long form videos, you are barely making 1K views per video you post. Even people that are monetized, right, and they are still streaming, ask them how much they're making from their stream. Like, you know that saying when you run fast, but you run without direction, you run nowhere? That's exactly what using Restream will get you. I was listening to a video just a couple of moments ago and I was inspired to make this video so that upcoming YouTubers like myself do not fall into this trap of using Restream to get to monetization faster. Hear me out, okay? I know you're desperate to get to monetization. I am too. Like everybody wants to get monetized. Everybody wants to start making some of these YouTube dollars, YouTube coins, be call it whatever you want to call it. But like you have to know that on this path to monetization, if you try to take corners or you try to take real ways, you're not going to actually achieve what you want to achieve. So let me just paint a picture for you. I mean, yes, you start using Restream, you start streaming things that they tell you to stream, and obviously the subscribers starts coming in, the watch hour starts coming in, but then you realize that it is fake. What do I mean by fake? Okay, you're getting subscribers, you're getting watch hours, and you finally reach monetization, but on your long form videos, you're not actually getting views. Tell me why you have 10,000 subscribers, but on your long form videos, you're barely making 1K views per video you post. Is that not like a scam? Tell me why you have 5,000 subscribers and you can barely make 25 views. And I'm literally referencing people that I've gone to check. Like, I literally went to check their channels, people that are preaching restream. Like, actually went to study it because before you take advice from someone, you have to make sure that they're in a situation that you yourself want to be. I know that everybody's desperate to get monetized, like I said, but like, okay, the people that are actually getting monetized, where are they? Are they actually making money? Another thing I want to express to you guys is that I know that everybody wants to get monetized, but you have to think about YouTube as a long term goal. Yes, you get monetized, but then what next? Like, I feel like many people feel like the goal is to get monetized rather than the goal being to make consistent long term income from YouTube. And when you start to realize that getting monetized is literally just half of the journey, you're going to calm down. Like you're literally going to calm down. Okay, yes, you get monetized. I'm not saying you're not going to get monetized if you use Restream, but like, okay, your videos are barely breaking 1K views. Basically, that means you're making barely $2 per video. Like that means you cannot even withdraw your money because there's $100 threshold. Like like literally dip it. Like I said, don't take advice from anybody. There's so many people giving advice on this YouTube strip, and giving advice about YouTube is not my niche. My niche is about money. This is why you should subscribe, because if you're desperate to get money, you're going to do so many things. But if you subscribe to my channel, you would actually see ways to get money that are legit. Okay, but anyway, that's enough of me plugging myself. I'm literally just giving this advice from my heart because I know what it is to be in the position. I literally even tried this thing, right? Like I tried one particular restream stream, but then I tried to even still do it close to my niche so that I don't get subscribers that will not be interested in my long form content. But then I just thought that this is very, very shallow and it's not actually going to give me what I want in the long term. So you should really think about it. What do you want in the long term? Is it that you just want to be monetized? Then what? Like, what's the next step? Monetization is not the goal. Like, it is half of the goal, but it's not the whole goal. The goal is to actually make money from YouTube, and you make money from YouTube by getting views on your long form videos because long form videos is the one that still has like the highest RPM. Even people that are monetized, right, and they are still streaming, ask them how much they're making from their stream. Like the amount they're making from their stream is probably minute. Maybe you're making like $0.05 per every 1K stream. So let's say by some miraculous way you do get like 100,000 views, right? Like you get 100,000 views on your live stream. 100,000 times 0.06. You know how small that is? I don't even, let me see. Maybe that's like barely $6. So imagine putting that in so much effort for you to just get $6 on 100K views. That does not make sense at all. That does not make sense at all. So this is a little rant. I was just watching a video and I was just like, there's so many advice on YouTube, right? But like, it's confused a lot of new YouTubers, and I understand the need to want to get monetized. I want to get monetized too, but I'm deciding to take another approach, right? Which is what I want to tell you guys about. Like, when you want to get monetized, see it as a way for you to provide value. It's like you want to get a job, right? If you leave secondary school and you want to get a job, they'll ask you for a higher education degree. So think about your time, the journey to monetization, you getting your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours as like the learning process you need to put in for when you finally get monetized so that you can be bringing in the money. Okay, let's say you rush it now and you get monetized, but like your views are barely breaking 20, barely breaking 300 views. Let's say by some miracle you actually get like 1,000 views, but like how much do you think you can actually make? This journey to monetization actually teaches you a lot of things. When I started YouTube and where I am right now is so different. If I had been monetized, I would have been so focused on getting it back rather than improving on myself. Like my delivery better, my speech better, research better, editing better, thumbnails better. Because every day I keep on watching videos. I literally watch videos. If you want to blow on this YouTube channel, watch videos from other YouTubers every day. Study what they do right. Study what you don't like about it. If you watch a video and you click off after 30 seconds, why did you click off? Study that. If you watch a video and you stay to the end, try to find out what made you stay to the end. Is it because of the value the person was offering? Is it because of their editing skills? You should do all this research. You should do all these things. Don't let your focus be on monetization. Monetization will come as long as you're offering value. Another thing is consistency and post rate. Like I used to post videos once a week, right? And I feel like once a week is not bad, but I know that if I the more videos I post, the more YouTube pushes out my content, the more people can see it, the more subscribers I get, the more watch hours I get. It is literally that simple. It is just logic. If I post one video every week, that's 4 videos in a month. And let's say averagely 1,000 people see it, that's even a stretch because I don't even get 1,000 views right now. That's basically 4,000 views, right, for that month, and maybe a conversion rate of maybe 0.5%. Let's say I get like 4 subscribers or 5 subscribers, right? And then if I post videos twice a week, right, or I post videos 6 times a month, that's 6,000 views, more subscriber. It's literally just a numbers game. And don't just post videos anyhow. Make sure that you're posting videos that offer value to the audience intended for it. So I just wanted to come and tell you that if you're considering using Restream, if you want to quickly get monetization fast, you should really think twice. This video is not telling you not to use it, or you can use it if you choose to, but I'm just literally telling you that the people that are using it, go and study their channels. I even saw that a lot of people that were preaching this Restream, they're taking their videos to private. Like, why is it on private? Like, literally, okay, yes, you have 10K subscribers, but you're literally not getting 1,000 views. Like, that's peak clowning, that's peak fooling, because you're just fooling yourself. So don't rush, don't be in a haste. Study YouTube, get better so that when you actually start making money and you get monetized, you actually have the ability to keep on making money. You don't just want to be a one hit wonder. You don't want subscribers that are not loyal to you or loyal to your message. Let's say you do a restream now of like fish or like maybe meat stuff, but your videos are about YouTube education or about hair making. Like, why would I watch your long term videos? Like, I came here for the entertainment. You literally get to have subscribers that are not loyal. Like, if you keep, like, it's literally that saying, like I said in the beginning, if you run fast but you run without direction, you're going nowhere. This rant has actually exceeded the amount of time I wanted it to exit. Bye 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 bye. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, tell me your experience using Restream, and tell me if you would still be using it or if you won't be using it. And remember, live streams are literally meant for you to develop a better experience with your subscribers. Don't take any advice from people that are not in the position that you want to be, and make sure that you understand what their position is. Yes, they may have the subscribers and watch out, but are they actually making money? Anyway, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Bye.